Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to learn about lookup function part 8. So how to transpose a table. So to transpose a table, we use three techniques. One is a space to special, second one transpose function, third one index rows columns function. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist, and in playlist you can find Excel for beginners, which contains 33 videos, and Excel level 2 folders which contain 39 videos. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, you can see there is a student marks table which contains roll number, student name, max, science, social. So total 5 columns, and you can also see there are 6 rows. Okay, so total 6 rows and 5 columns. Now I want to transpose the student marks table. So to transpose student marks table, we are going to use three techniques. One is paste to special, second one transpose, and third one is index rows columns method. Okay, so let me start with paste special. So first I will select the topmost corner of the table. Okay, so before that I will select whole table and I will just copy. Okay, so I will use Control C to copy. Now I will just select the topmost corner of the table, which is top leftmost corner, and I will go to the home tab. Here I will select the paste, and in paste you will find a seventh option which is called transpose. So let me show you, this is the seventh option. Okay, so here we can see, nice, right? So this is a very simple technique. The thing is, it will also copy the format. Okay, it will not only copy the table values, it will also copy the format. Now let us move to the next one. It's a using transpose function. So to use transpose function, first of all you have to select whole table. Okay, so in paste special you have to select the table, student marks table, but in the transpose you have to first select the area where you want to create the table. Okay, so now select the formula. You can see here in the formula bar I am going to type is equal to transpose. Okay, so first you just type transpose, open bracket. Now select the whole table, so which want to transpose. Here we are, right? So after selecting, close the bracket and don't press enter. Okay, so you have to, in place of enter you have to press control shift enter. So remember, control shift enter. Once again, control shift enter. So I will type control shift enter. Nice. Now you can see the whole table is transposed. You can see the rows has become columns and columns has become rows. But in space special it will copy the text with the format, but in transpose it will only transpose the values. Nice. So but there is another problem with the transpose. So we cannot individually change the uh, values. For example, if I want to change the 98 into 76, see, it will not allow, right? So it will not allow such values. Okay, so what we have to do again, we have to just say cancel. Okay, so we cannot change the table values. Okay, and we cannot delete also. Suppose if I want to delete one row, suppose I want to delete the one row, see it is showing error. Why it is showing error? Because it is linked to the main table. Okay, so the transpose, whenever we do a transpose, what happens, it is linked to the source table, and any changes done in the source table, it will affect the transpose table. Okay, so you cannot edit the transpose table. Okay, so let me move to the third one, which is index rows columns. So before going to index rows columns transpose method, first let me show the direct method, then I will show you the indirect method. So first let me show how to create a table by using index rows column, then I will show you how to transpose. Okay, so let me type is equal to first. So what I will do, I will use index, open bracket. First I have to select the array, right? So whole table I will select. Okay, so whole table I will select and I will use function F4, right? Now comma. Now first we are going to select the rows. Okay, so rows, select A4. See, first one you have to select, colon, again A4. Okay, so because we are starting with the A4, right? And one A4 will be fixed and another A4 will change. Okay, so I will use function F4, sir, for first A4. Okay, so let me close bracket okay, comma, now columns. So in index, remember, first we will enter rows and second we will enter column. Even if we use the match function, first match will be rows, second match will be columns. Okay, so let me use second one, columns. Again select the A4 colon A4, right. Now again make the first A4 function absolute reference. Okay, close the bracket, close the main index bracket, enter. Nice, nice. Now let me drag. If I drag towards the right side, see, I got the column. If I drag down, nice, I got the table. Nice. So this is how we can get the table by using index, rows, columns. Now I will use a small technique in the transposing of table. So what I will do, in the index main table, what I have done, first I have taken the row, second I have taken the column. So now I will use a small technique. Instead of first row, I will type a column, and instead of second column, I will use row. So what happens, automatically my table will transpose into rows, rows into columns and columns into rows. Now let us use this technique. So I will go to the, again, topmost left to topmost corner. So again index, select whole table. So I'll just go to the main table. Okay, I will select whole table, right. So again absolute reference function F4, nice, comma. Now remember, last time we have selected rows, now this time I will select the columns. Okay, so automatically the table will get transposed. So A4 colon A4, first A4 I will make the absolute reference fix. Okay, second it will change. Okay, so same way, comma, rows. In the rows, again select the A4 colon A4, first one I will make it fix function F4, nice. Now let me close the bracket, close the index bracket, enter. Nice. Now let me drag towards the right side and see, this time my column has converted into row. Let me drag down. Nice. Now I got the whole table transpose. So what's that again different between a space to special and transpose and index, rows and columns is, you can individually you can change. Okay, suppose if you want to edit 98 to 75, okay, so 75 you can do it. Okay, so individually you can do it. Okay, and when you're even you when you're copying, when you're copying the formula, for example, let me remove this one, this column. Okay, here also I will delete. Okay, again here is my formula, right. Suppose I don't want the last row, so I will just only copy till the 1104, and till, suppose if I don't want the social marks, I will copy only till the science marks. Okay, so the index, rows and columns will provide you a flexibility that you can avoid some columns or rows. Okay, and you can also edit the columns and rows. Nice, nice, right. So let me drag this one. Nice. So hope you have understood that three transpose methods and difference between a three transpose method. So friends, keep practicing.